fun, right?
Groggy eyes after sleeping in probably
what day
last
is
week.
it?
Yeah, exactly. And you're going to head out the door this morning. Make sure the kids are bundled because you're going to step out into that wind today. And wow, it is all about the wind. It is going to be very strong. We've got a high wind warning up throughout the entire day till about 7 o'clock tonight. And this encompasses the entire area as well. Look at the wind gusts already. And these winds are just getting started. We are already gusting over 20 and 30 miles per hour across most of the area. But as we go through the morning, very quickly, the winds are going to jump up. This is 8 o'clock this morning, and look at how many of us are gusting close to, if not over 40 miles per hour. And as we get into the afternoon, those winds are going to be gusting over 50 miles per hour. In fact, there is the potential for gusts to about 65 miles per hour out through the higher elevations, the hills of Worcester County. So these could certainly be damaging over the course of the day. And I want to step you through the overnight hours because even tonight, the winds are going to be gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. So this wind is with us for a solid 24 hours. Strong winds, the big story today. We'll watch for some damage to come about as we go through the day. And then we're going to bring in the cold. So you add that combination of the wind and the cold, and we're talking about bitter wind chills for both Tuesday and Wednesday. And then we could get a little bit of light snow here by Thursday morning. So a very wintry week ahead for sure. You can see there's some snow this morning from Sandwich out to Harwich and Orleans. So some snow showers working on through the Cape this morning. You can see everything is moving from west to east, and these are actually associated with moisture coming from the Great Lakes. Our storm from the weekend that brought in the rain yesterday and ice to some of us, it is to our north right now and moving away, but it's getting stronger, and that's producing the wind. And that westerly wind on the backside is allowing for some of these lake effect snow bands to reach into our area. Look at the temperatures too. To our west, teens and 20s. So yeah, we're running in the upper 30s right now in Boston, but those temperatures are going to be dropping throughout the day. Close to 40 now on the Cape. So any of these snow showers falling have very minimal impact and really not accumulating out there, and they'll be just kind of passing on through. I think most numerous this morning, and they'll tend to weaken this afternoon. Otherwise, a blend of sun and clouds today. By mid-morning, that wind is sustained over 30, gusting higher, and you can see how the temperatures don't really go anywhere. They'll fall a little bit as we get on into the afternoon, but a couple of snow showers around, not just this morning but through midday, and then during the afternoon hours I think the skies brighten a little bit. But look at the temperatures down in the 20s by sunset, and overnight we're going to fall back into the teens. Looking for an overnight low temperature close to 18 degrees in Boston. So clearing tonight. It will stay windy but getting colder, and tomorrow is a bright, sunny but very cold day, only in the 20s, and those winds still going to be blowing out there more from the northwest, bringing in the colder temperatures. So look at the wind chills tomorrow morning, single digits above and below zero, and those wind chills barely budge over the course of the afternoon. So it is all about the wind and the cold. Tuesday into Wednesday, that's why we've made them impact weather days. But as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, we're going to be watching a system scooting by to our south with pretty limited moisture, but cold enough that we could be talking about some snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. It's out of here Thursday afternoon, so the potential for a few inches of snow out of that, it doesn't look like a big deal. The bigger storm system this coming weekend looks like it's going to be warmer, so that one could start as a mix, but likely changing over to